just a perfect situation.
This is 6 bagfuls of shopping, and it's the last grocery shop for 2020. I've got a butcher shop to do, and then that's it till about March. So now it's sorting all this out, where it's going. Some will be going in the extended pantry and some will get used up. There's a lot of fruit and veg in there, so I'll be making different freezer meals and putting them away. This is just a small sample of the fruit and veg. I'm not getting it all out and showing it because I've had enough of that today. You have to take it off the shelves, put it in your trolley, put it on the conveyor belt so it can go through the till, put it back in your trolley, then load your bags up, load your car up, bring them in the house, offload it, and so they're staying. The majority of them are going to stay in bags and they'll go wherever needed, whether that's extended pantry or getting them ready for, I'll be doing some canning. But I need mushrooms for canning. There's some green beans and carrots I'm going to can. I've got baking potatoes, and I can use them for jacket potatoes. There's potatoes for, I can do root mash, reduce potatoes, swede, carrots, parsnip. I've got leeks. I'm going to do a cauliflower and broccoli cheese, or broccoli and cauliflower cheese, because I've got a broccoli and cauliflower. I've got loads of these peppers that just need cutting up and then freezing. Over here there's more stuff, more veg, more peppers for cutting up and freezing, tomatoes to use and sort out, more spring onions, a fruit bowl, grapefruits. Down here there's carrots, parsnips, onions. Rather than me taking them all out and loading them on the cooker to show you all, it's just one of things I've got. Also a couple of boxes of cereal and some Caesar salad, garlic and mayonnaise and crisps. These are for going in my extended pantry, which are just orange drink, orange juice, pineapple juice, some more flour, tin tomatoes and sweet corn. They're for going on my shelves upstairs. I have got this yeast. I thought that can go on my shelves upstairs as a backup just in case I run out. This is the stuff that I need for downstairs, although 2 of the jars of honey will be going back up in my extended pantry. But there's yoghurt in that. I like honey yoghurt. That's why I bought the honey yoghurt, and I bought honey as well, because I normally make my own yoghurt. So I'm going to make honey yoghurt. See how that works out. Some Chucky Bickies, because we all need something sweet sometime. And there's another bag of things, more tin stuff, passata, muesli, salmon, hand wash, dishwasher tablets, coffee. They're from the extended pantry again. And as there's going to be just me and Lurch for Christmas dinner, I've got a small turkey. So we could either have that Christmas Day, or I'll thaw out at another time and can it up. We'll see. That's my little grocery haul. Butcher's haul today. I've got here pig's pluck and liver for making up food for Mason, and also an ox heart, and we'll have some of it and some of it will go up for Mason. I've got a joint silver side here that I'll do something with. I've got about 6 lamb chops there, about 7 pounds of stewing beef, 3 gammon joints, thin pork sausage and thick pork sausage, bacon, 2 ham shanks. There's a bag of bones that I'll be doing for bone broth, about 8 to 10 pounds of minced ground beef, and 3 chickens. So this is the reason why there won't be any Fabric Friday. Oh, I forgot to show you as well in my butcher's haul a dozen duck eggs, because my chickens are slowing down producing now because it's coming towards winter. So I bolster it by getting a dozen of these duck eggs. Bye!
It's a